Hello and welcome, Greg here from Volkswagen Van Center X. I'm showing you today this head-turning Volkswagen Transporter T7, finished here in upgraded warm green metallic paintwork and powered by a 2-litre TDI 150 PS engine with an automatic gearbox. Key highlights will include stylish LED headlights with LED daytime running lights, as well as around the side these alloy wheels and chrome will also finish off the look. In the rear, upgraded LED signature taillights are on offer, and the load area is absolutely cavernous, featuring LED ambient lighting as well as a reinforced bulkhead. Quick glimpse in the front is no different, with stylishly designed two-tone cloth upholstery and upgraded driver's seat for maximum comfort. The driver will certainly enjoy this leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel operating the digital cockpit, and there's plenty of storage with USB Type-C chargers. Center touchscreen is permanent climate control information with heated seats and a heated steering wheel, and there's so much more on offer in the form of an adjustable speaker sound system too. Other clever features will incorporate selectable drive modes as well, opting for various functions too, and a host of active safety systems will scan the road ahead to protect junior occupants at all times. Other clever features in the vehicle will also incorporate the convenience of both Apple CarPlay and AndroidAuto smartphone projection, with easy-to-use climate control, and helping you park is a rear view camera complemented by front and rear sensors. Down below you'll even find a wireless induction charger for a compatible device. This has been a presentation of the approved use Volkswagen Transporter that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.